Welcome to Tertiary Updates. In this video, we look at how to generate a free voucher to check your eligible programs in a university of your choice based on your results. Keep watching. Type www.edusysgh.com in your web browser. Click on Prices on the top right corner of the page or scroll down to the Price section. You are now in the Price section. There is the Free, Basic, Plus, and Premium option. Our interest here is the Free option. Click on the Generate button under the Free option. Provide your details and click on Proceed. Voila! We have our free login details. Copy the details on a sheet of paper and click on the login button to continue. On the login page, enter your serial number and PIN number obtained from the previous page. We are in the application section now. We see our attempt details at the top page here. Click on Get Started. This is the section for providing your results details. You can provide an awaiting grade for your grades you don't have at the moment in order to proceed. In such an instance, the app replaces the particular grade with C4. Select a university by dropping this option list down. We have only University of Health and Allied Sciences here. The notice below shows that we can have access to only this university per the free plan. We have to purchase the voucher for the other schools like UMaT, KUST, and others. Click on Add Results and provide result details like the year and type, whether school WASI or NOVDEC. Click on Add Subject to add your subjects. Let's go ahead and provide our results. Now that we are done with entering our results, let's click on Submit and wait. Alright, we have a list of programs we can pursue in UHAS based on the results we entered. This section shows your recent results. This is a legend for reading the results. This section shows your previous attempt history. You can go on to purchase the voucher for access to schools like KUST and UMaT. You can print the results for future use. We think it is advisable to select programs with a high chance unless you know what you're doing. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more of such educational content.